Rhino has been recognized with the EVE Design Award. Rhino is a semi-recessed floor washer whose LED is placed in an oblique position. The efficiency of the product is very high since the emission of the light is very direct and clean. It has an organic shape, but at the same time it's very minimalist and functional and pure in terms of design. The thin profile, it really helps the product to fit very well into the architecture. The visual aspect of the piece is very attractive, and it reminds you to someone making pressure from inside the wall.